Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to block any Android app from using the internet. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as NetGuard. As you can see here, NetGuard. To search these applications, tap on it, click on install. Now after installing, you need to click on open. So here you will be asked to agree the terms and conditions. Just click on I agree. Now you can see here on the left top above, you can just enable this button. Just click on OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now under this battery optimizations, just select it, click on all apps. Now search for the application name as NetGuard. Just select it. Now tap on Don't Optimize, click on Done. Now you can go back to the application. Now your all settings are being set. So let's say I want to block Google Chrome. As you can see a green color on the right side. The right corner is the cellular data and the left one is the Wi-Fi connections. So if you want to block both the Wi-Fi and the cellular connections, then you need to tap on each of it. So I just want to block my mobile data connections while using the Chrome browser, so I'll just tap on it. As you can see, it's turned red. So let's minimize these applications and we'll try to use Google Chrome. And we'll try to open the Google website. So I've just clicked. As you can see, it's not loading any web page. I'll try other websites too, if it's opening or not. We'll wait for some more seconds whether the Google website loads or not. So I'll just try to refresh it again. Just try once more. So finally you can see I'm unable to use internet connections in my Google Chrome browser. So in this way you can block any applications from using your internet data, whether you are using a Wi-Fi internet connections or the mobile cellular data connections. So it's very useful if you want to block any particular applications from using your internet connections. Then you can use this free of cost NetGuard applications, and it will work in almost every applications that is being installed on your Android smartphone. So if you never known about these cool applications, then try it out today. And if you find any difficulty in using these applications, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.